Introducing one of the world's strongest all-in-one cylinder and hasp to replace separate hasps and padlocks, the Carbine Armadillo. The Carbine Armadillo is a maximum security hasp block that is designed so you never lose a padlock again. The Carbine Armadillo suits commercial applications from securing steel gates, containers, trailers, warehouse doors, shop fronts, truck doors and even electrical cabinets. The Carbine Armadillo provides far greater physical security than traditional hasp, lock and staple padlock systems. Cast in alloy steel and case hardened, with the ability to withstand up to 2 tons of force, the Carbine Armadillo is designed to give a high resistance to bolt cutters, jemmy bars, hammers, drills and hacksaws. Coming in a variety of models designed to suit various lengths and angle mounts, these include a regular model, suitable for 45mm profile shop front doors, single hinge model, suitable for right angle mountings, double hinge model, perfect for right angle or curved mountings, and a gate plate model, which includes steel mounting plates that can be welded to a steel frame or gate. The Carbine Armadillo features an auxiliary mount for second hinge models to allow for right angle or around the corner fixing, a standard 6-pin key and knob style cylinder with a C4 keyway. Taking a common Australian PD cylinder, the Armadillo range allows you to integrate this with your existing mechanical or electromechanical master key systems, such as EVER or EKA Cyberlock. Corrosion resistance black E-coated and powder coated surface finishes. Non-handed mounting, ideal for both left or right hand mounting. And most importantly, easy to install. The Carbine Armadillo is an ideal option for that hard to secure gate, where the locking alignment factor is critical. With built-in automatic adjustment of up to 6mm and additional adjustment of 9mm, the Armadillo will adapt to the movement of the sag of the hinges over time, making it perfect to secure schools, construction sites where valuable tools and supplies are stored, warehouses, and any facility currently using a traditional hasp, lock and staple arrangement. The Carbine Armadillo is a product of years of R&D and testing to be at the Carbine standard of quality and innovative technology, where you can be assured of its strength in security. Never lose a padlock again. Order today and harness the functionality and security of the Carbine Armadillo.